Hi, this is Devin with Survey Methods. Today I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter like this one in less than 5 minutes. Log into your account, click on the My Newsletter tab, and then click on Create Newsletter. You're taken to a 3-step wizard. Over here, provide a name for your newsletter. Hit Continue. On the next stage, you are able to select from pre-designed themes. However, I suggest you select Create from Scratch as we add new themes over the next few weeks. Click Continue. And now on the third step of the wizard, click your style. I'm going to choose Contemporary and I'm going to choose Verdana. The system takes you to a newsletter skeleton, and I suggest the first thing you do over here is set up your footer. The footer essentially is required to comply with spam laws. Hit Edit. I'm going to put my permission reminder text to my recipients. Location is basically an address and a phone number. The system will not let you save a newsletter without the footer and without a body object. So I'm going to start with a banner. And I've already typed up my content in a document, so I'm purely just copying and pasting. So I've got my banner, and for my banner, I am going to select a background image. I'm going to go for a Christmas theme over here. And you see over here, I've got black text. This black text doesn't really go on the banner that I've selected, so I'm going to select themes, backgrounds, and fonts. Go to color, and for banner, title, and subtitle, I'm going to select white. All right, let's go ahead and resize this. And let's go back to objects. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add a text object. I'm going to save it. This is the very beginning of my newsletter. Now I can save it because I've got an object. I've got to have at least one object, and I've got to have my footer completed. I'm now going to go ahead and save it. The system will not auto-save this newsletter for you, so make sure you save it periodically after you've created your first object and your footer. Let's go ahead and add a separator. I'm going to select a pre-designed separator. I am now going to go ahead and add another text object below that separator. Let's create another separator below that. And this time I'm going to choose an image and text object. I've typed in my text, actually I've pasted my text, and I'm going to add an image at this point and save it. I am now going to resize my image by just dragging on the resize control over here. And I'm going to add another separator below that. And I'm going to save my newsletter. Let's add another image and text object below that separator. Add another image. And in this case, I'm going to choose the image to go at the bottom of my text. So here it is. And now I'm going to resize that image to be a lot larger. And then add a separator below it. So here we go. We've got a nice newsletter. Now for the really cool part, let's select a background. So for backgrounds, I'm going to select page background. I'm going to select an image. There we go. Let's save that. And let's preview it. There's the newsletter that I've created, and it's ready to be launched. I press launch, and it then takes me through the launch process where I can either send it to my customers or create a link to post on a website.